Did you know China's president sleeps only 3 hours a night and has done so for over a decade? At 3 in the morning, while Beijing sleeps, Xi Jinping is already awake in the Zhongnanhai compound. To the world, he appears as a calm, steady leader making calculated decisions. But behind closed doors lies an extreme schedule that would break most people. His workdays stretch 20 hours, reading over 100 documents daily. He takes meetings while eating, never stopping for proper meals. His staff works in rotating shifts just to keep up with his pace. They're burning out faster than they can be replaced. For more than 10 years, he's maintained this brutal routine, sleeping only 3 to 4 hours each night. This exhausting schedule directly impacts major global decisions affecting billions of people. It explains China's lightning-fast policy changes and rapid implementations that surprise other nations. One man's sleepless nights are reshaping the world's second-largest economy.